Why are all these people walking here? Why is this little main street of a little Missouri town filled with booths and crafts? The answer to these questions is an annual event for which the entire town prepares for. Yes, the entire town of Fair Grove, Missouri. They prepare for thousands of people to attend the Heritage Reunion, which is a craft fair every year on the last full weekend in September. There's not only crafts, which are amazing to stroll through and see the craftsmanship and creativity of some people, but there's also food galore as well as musical performances nearly all day long. To attend the event is free, but parking is usually not free, unless you have a friend in town that graciously lets you park nearby and walk over. But the parking lots are usually ran by the local school groups, so like the Fair Grove FFA students will volunteer to assist in parking, and then their club benefits from the costs to park. So, it's all for a good cause. The rules for the booths are that they must be original and homemade craft items, all of which are family-friendly and interesting for everyone. From quilts to woodworking to pony rides and a petting zoo, literally something for everyone to enjoy. The big kickoff to the event is on Saturday morning at 10 a.m. and it is the parade. Now this parade is a unique one because basically anyone who wants to be in the parade can. You just show up with your cool old truck or tractor or even horse and bring some candy to throw out to the onlookers and you can walk in the parade. It's pretty neat to see. The Womack Mill is the centerpiece of this event. The Womack Mill is an old corn mill that has been fully restored and operates during this reunion. So there is corn everywhere outside, which is really cool to see. But yes, it all operates, and let me tell you, it sounds like a big old steam train letting off steam when the mill lets off its steam. It's very cool to hear, and you can't not hear it anywhere nearby Fairgrove. The schedule for this 2-day event is usually pretty packed, and packed with people too. I will say most of the crowd is there on Saturday morning, and if you get there right at the 10 a.m. parade, don't expect to move in traffic. Literally the whole main roads of Fairgrove are cut off, so you can't even make it to the parking lots. You will sit on the off-ramp until the parade is over. So that's my little tidbit, my little hint, whatever you want to call it, to not arrive at 10 o'clock. And let's talk about the food. Food is always great at these sort of events, from the classic food truck food to like literal ears of corn for $3. And those were by far my favorite. My favorite by an ear. Huh? That's a terrible pun, but I had to add something in. The lemonade is good too. As for the weather, it's unpredictable at this time of year, but overall it's usually pretty nice. And this one was a hot one, but I've heard of other ones that have been chilly where you need a coat. But chances are it'll be pretty good because September in Missouri is usually the prettiest month. On Sunday, they do have a church service and some gospel music that plays as well. But overall, if you're in Southwest Missouri at the end of September and enjoy looking at local crafts and arts and old historical demonstrations or just want some cute Christmas gifts, then stop by and see the unique Fairgrove Heritage Reunion.